Samsung's Summer Galaxy Unpacked 2026 just wrapped up, and it was a full foldable phone event. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. By far, the biggest news is the new Galaxy Z Fold 8, which now comes in an updated design. It is now wider and shorter than Samsung's previous folds, and Samsung says it's built more for creativity with a big focus on consuming content. With an unfolded 7.6-inch screen, 50-megapixel back cameras, 4,800 mAh battery, and a cost of $1,899. It is cheaper than last year's Z Fold 7, but is still pretty expensive for a phone, but not as much as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which costs $2,099 and comes with a Snapdragon Elite Gen 5 processor, a 200-megapixel main camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with a 5,000 mAh battery. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 8, Samsung says this is its lightest flip yet, and it's just 6.1 millimeters thick with a starting prices of $1,199. Samsung's new watches aren't taking chances with any major design overhauls. Instead, Samsung is focusing on refining what's already there. Like the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 remains Samsung's go-to for athletes, and it now features a shock-resistant titanium case and water resistance. There's also a new trail running feature that offers route and elevation guidance and estimates sweat loss, so you know when to hydrate. The Galaxy Watch 9 comes with a Raise-to-Talk feature that lets you easily issue voice commands to Samsung's AI assistant without using a wake word. Both watches now have much bigger batteries and work well alongside a refreshed Samsung Health app. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is $699, and Galaxy Watch 9 is for $379. Samsung's also revealed its upcoming smart glasses. Developed in collaboration with Gentle Monster and Warby Parker, these will have Google Gemini intelligence on board, letting you summarize things around you in notes, share video in a call, or ask for recipe tips while you're cooking. Though there's no word on pricing, but Samsung says its smart glasses are coming this fall. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.